In this video, we'll quickly demo how to deploy a data pipeline from GitHub to Microsoft Fabric using Flow. The GitHub repository is already set up with the pipeline code, and the connections to both Fabric and GitHub has been pre-configured in Flow. We'll start by adding the Create Data Pipeline action and provide some initial settings, like selecting the workspace that we want to deploy the data pipeline to and the name of the pipeline. The next thing we want to do is provide the data pipeline definition, which is a JSON string that you can get from the data pipeline editor in Fabric. I've already copied the definition for the pipeline I want to deploy and stored it in GitHub, so instead of hard coding it into the flow, we'll fetch it from there. I'll now add an action to fetch the JSON file from GitHub. I need to select my GitHub connection with the API key, the repository owner, the repository name, and the path to the file. Because the Fabric REST API requires a JSON string as input, I need to convert the file bytes to a JSON string before it can be passed to the Create Data Pipeline action. I can then simply select the output from the convert action as input to the definition property. With everything set up, let's run the flow and verify that the data pipeline has been successfully created in Fabric. As you can see, the data pipeline was created with a single wait action, just like expected from the GitHub template. Thank you for watching.